Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. If you are in sales, marketing or recruiting, you know that cold outreach is still one of the most effective ways to generate leads, but it's also incredibly time consuming. What if you could automate your entire outreach process from the first email to the fifth follow-up while making sure your emails actually land in the inbox? This is exactly what Saleshandy promises. This is basically an AI-powered cold email outreach platform designed to automate and scale your campaigns. It's not just about sending emails, it's a full suite of tools for deliverability, lead finding, and analytics. What's most important is that you can just sign up for free and you can start like a 7-day free trials by entering your email or signing up with Google. And then after that, it's going to cost you a certain amount of money. This is the main dashboard, as you can see in here, and if you go to the left panel, you have this menu, which is very long and has a lot of tools. Before we send a single email, there's a crucial step that we must take. That is called warming up our email account. Sending hundreds of emails from a new or cold account is a one-way ticket to the spam folder. Sales Handy has a built-in email warm-up feature that automates this process. So what are you going to do, guys? You're just going to come here to the menu and you're going to go to email accounts in here, okay? And now I just want you to connect your email accounts. Okay, in my case, I'm just going to connect my Google account. Now we're just going to go to the menu again. Now we have connected our email. And again, just go to the menu here and go to the more section. And I want you to find the email warm-up tool in here. You're going to get this thing, which is basically like a collaboration between these two software tools. And just click on go to Truly Inbox. And you're going to be able to get like, free email accounts to warm up, as it says in here. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this step. With our email warm up, it's time to build our campaign. What are we going to do, guys? We're just going to go to the sequences section in here. And we're going to go to create sequence. Let's say, for example, that we are a marketing agency trying to book meetings with tech startups. We have to select the first step of our sequence, which is going to be, in my case, an email, but you can also choose like a LinkedIn message, a call, or a task. But in most cases, it's going to be an email. The key here, guys, is personalization. You're going to have to use different tags, such as the first name and the company name, to make each email unique. How are you going to do this? Let's go to the subject here. Let's say that I want the subject to be test email for, the name of my lead. What am I going to do? I'm just going to write test email for, and then I'm just going to click on this little button here, and I'm going to look for this thing, which is first name, okay? And now you just have to write the rest of the email, and again, you should include as many, different tags as possible. So again, just click on these little tags here. You can add the first name, so on, so on, so on. You can add different things such as the company name and things like that. Here you have this little AI system, which is called spin tags, which is going to allow you to basically write different things, different recommended messages, okay? Like greetings, praises, and so on and so on. And if you go to the content guide section, you can see how your email is looking in terms of different things, such as the word count, links, subject line, and so on and so on. And in the email preview, you can see how it's going to look exactly. You can also choose when to send this email. In my case, it's going to be on the first time that I activate this sequence, which is going to be the case for most of you. Let's click on Save now. Now we need to add automated follow-ups. This is where the magic happens. A single follow-up can dramatically boost the reply rate. Let's click on Add Step again, and we're just going to go to email again because this is like a follow-up email. This is going to be a follow-up email that is going to be sent 3 days, as you can see in here. You can modify this, of course, after the first email has been sent. But this is only going to happen, guys, if the prospect has not replied, okay? So this is automatic and you don't actually have to do anything. This is what's going to happen. So just like before, write your email, for the follow-up, and yeah. If for whatever reason you want to send this in another, email instead of the same thread, just disable this option and write like a new subject, okay? But most of you are gonna want to keep it in the same thread. So yeah, just click on Save now. And again, we're gonna add even, 2 more steps. So 1 more email and even 1 more email. To optimize our campaign, I'm going to add a variant to the first step. This lets us test 2 different subject lines or email bodies to see which performs better. Saleshandy will automatically distribute sending between the different variants. Okay, so just click in here and you can write like the second email, okay, which is going to be like the B version. Okay, so you have the A version, that's what we wrote before, and the B version that you have to write now. Okay, so this is our sequence basically. Now we have to add our prospects, our leads. So let's go to the prospect section in here, and it's very simple. We just have to upload a CSV file, and you can also search or upload them. Okay, this has like a verification tool that you can check. You can add as many as you like, and when you're finished, just go to settings. In order for this sequence to make sense, I just want you to take this option in here. Okay, this is very important. Consider the prospect as finished if a reply is received. This basically means that, when a prospect is going to reply to one of our emails in the sequence is going to stop. Okay, so we are not going to bother him no more with no more emails. And the rest is just pretty optional, so it doesn't really matter. After you're ready, you can just click on Start Sequence. Now, of course, we have to track your performance, so the Analytics tabs is going to give you just that. This is basically going to give you like a detailed breakdown of your sequence. You can see the open rates, the click rates, the reply rates, and which steps are performing the best. Also, let's quickly talk about the templates. These are going to be like, default emails that you can send and that you can include in your sequence, okay? If you plan on creating a new sequence, frequently and using the same email, so you can actually do this, okay? So just come here to the template section and go to new template, and you can just create like the email as I showed you before. So you guys, that's pretty much it for this tool, okay? The pros is that you have all in one platform. You have a combination of email warm up, sequences, and lead finder, and a unified inbox that is incredibly powerful. Also, the focus here is deliverability. Features like the warm up, sender rotation, and spam checking show the prioritize getting your email seen. And actually, it's very easy to use. The only cons in my opinion is that the base plan is a little bit limited. You have essential features, but you require a higher plan to get most of the features. And while the lead finder is a great addition, it runs on a credit system, so you can now do this unlimitedly. That's pretty much it, and thank you so much, guys.